We are 80 crew members of motor tanker OLIB-G, 15 Georgians and 3 Turkish. Our ship was hijacked by Somalian pirates in 2010 8 September. Our owner is Greece and our company not going to pay money. They don't care about us. Also, our governments didn't help us, and more than 1 year we are in this situation. Pirates are so angry, they try to beat and hurt us. Food and water which one they giving to us is not enough for normal life. Some of crew is so ill and we cannot help to them because we have not any medicine. We try to help to each other, but we finished. We cannot more help to each other anymore. Now we want to ask from everybody who can see and who can hear us. We ask from so much people helping, but nobody helped us. At this moment we lose our hope. Before, so much people didn't believe our situation, and now all of you can see our situation. It's a really critical situation, and we don't know what we can do anymore.